here's how to start the drawing part of your Parabolic Curves project. You're going to need graph paper, but if you don't have any, use 2 pieces of notebook paper. Okay? If you do have some graph paper, you'll first fold it in half, fold it in half again, and this is going to give you your X and Y axis and the midpoint for it. If you don't have that, then you're going to kind of make your own. Take some notebook paper, and you're not going to use that top part. You're just going to fold to that top blue line like this. Fold it in half again. Now you have the lines going across, but now we've got to measure using the second piece. So you're going to put a little mark everywhere where there's a blue line. So like this. All the way across. And you have to do the bottom too. This is not a one-day project. This is going to be a multi-day project. Do not rush through this. If you have to use the notebook paper, maybe just do this part one day and then come back another day. But it's very important that you measure correctly. Okay, so here's the next part. Dots like every 2 squares. Okay. All right. So then, same thing on here, except it's all kind of marked already. Okay. This one is going to be every square. Okay. Or every line, I mean. Okay. All right. So now you need a straight edge. Okay. So I'm going to use a book. Let's see, they should be even numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm not going to use these yet, okay? So I'm going to draw a line from here to here. So I make that line touch dot to dot. Like that. Okay, I'm going to do this in pen so you can see it from your screen. But you should do it in pencil, just in case. Okay, and look, all those straight lines created a curve. So if you got that, you did it right. Okay, so you're going to do that with all 4 corners on here. Now, how it looks on the notebook paper. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So they have to be the same number across and here. So now I need to go back and do the lowest number. So this was 13, so I need to count to 13 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's this here, okay? All right, so I will draw a line from here to here. And make sure you line them up perfectly. See? There's another curve. Okay? So that's how you make curves with straight lines. Now here's what you don't do. Every so often I have some students that do this. They just put the ruler here and start doing this. If you're doing that, that's wrong. If you're getting a curve like that, you're doing it right. Okay? So you're going to do that with all 4 corners, okay, like this. And then you got to choose to do something in the middle. Now, the middle is kind of the same idea, where you're going to number like every other or every 3 squares. You could do every square, but, you know, it's fine. It's just going to take longer, but that's fine. It'll look awesome. Okay, so I can go here and here, here, here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that one's going to be in the hole there. Okay, and then that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, all right. So now I can draw those lines. I'm not doing it this way. I'm taking the one that's furthest away and going with the one that's close. So I'll go like this, and then the next one goes like this, and the next one goes like this. And see, you're already starting to get that curve. And like this, and like this, and like this. Now, if you're still confused on which line goes where, number them. It's okay. So this would be 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But this next one I need to start at 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then, of course, 7's behind there, okay? So I would draw a line from 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, 5 to 5, 6 to 6, 7 to 7, okay? All right, so same thing up here. This would be starting at 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, and that's how you do it, okay? So that's how you'll draw this. Now, if you're still confused, I'm going to put a link underneath here where you could, if you have a printer, you can print out one that's already numbered, and you just simply got to draw the lines from dot to dot, 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, okay? All right. Now, when you're done drawing this, okay, the next part is coloring. That'll be the next part. And then you're going to have some choices for how to do that. But just do the drawing part first.